Welcome back to Okima Grows, where I'm growing peace one seed at a time. Today, I'm breaking down 4 beginner-friendly companion planting combos that actually works. These pairings are going to boost nutrients and reduce pests in your garden. Some vegetables don't just grow next to each other, they grow better together. The first combo is going to be peas and corn, or can be beans and corn. So your peas are nitrogen fixers, and they're going to pull nitrogen from the air and store it in the soil. Corn are heavy feeders, and that's exactly what they need. They need a lot of nitrogen to help them grow tall and strong. When you plant them together, you create a self-sustaining nutrient loop that reduces and sometimes replaces the need for synthetic fertilizers. The second combo is going to be your tomatoes and marigolds and your tomatoes and basils. So tomatoes thrive when they're surrounded by the right companions. And this trio is one of the most reliable combination for beginners. Marigolds release a strong aromatic compound that confuses and masks the scent trails of aphids. Basil, on the other hand, they protect your tomatoes. It improves their flavors and attract pollinators that help boost fruit production. Basil also adds another layer of protection. It helps to repel whiteflies, hornworms, and even mosquitoes. The next combo is made up of carrots and onions. Carrots and onions protect each other from their biggest pests. Carrot flies follow the smells of carrot foliage, and onion scents mask that trail. Onion flies follow the smells of onions, and the carrot tops help to disguise it. So together they confuse each other's pests and reduce damage naturally. Our fourth combo is going to be cabbage and dill. So cabbage attracts every pest in the book. Cabbage worms, loopers, moths. Your dill is going to attract ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps, and that's what's going to be eating the insects that your cabbage attracts. So companion planting works because your plant communicates through scent, soil chemistry, root structure, and the insects they attract. When you pair the right crops together, you create a mini ecosystem that supports itself. So if you're a beginner, start with these 4 pairings. They're simple and they help your garden work with nature instead of against it. Thanks for watching. Continue to grow peace one seed at a time.